All right, guys, here's my demo video on the power Pendlay row. I'm gonna call it power because it's how I like to coach the Pendlay row. Really just emphasizing using your legs more to really facilitate the movement so that we can lift more weight and get stronger and more explosive. So as you can see, I'm using my arms and I'm actually pinching my armpits down to help use my lats to straighten my overall spine, which will then kind of connect to my hips, which connects down to the knees, which gives me like that whole body explosiveness and connection so that I'm not really using one part of my body too much. As you can see, I'm dropping my hips down, bending my knees, driving my legs like a deadlift, and once the bar comes up, I'm ripping it in an explosive movement. Just like that. So I'm going to take a break here, and then I'm going to go down and kind of do it a little bit more poorly, where I'm not going to bend my legs and get underneath as much. And you're going to see I'm going to be much more hunched over. My chest is almost parallel to the ground and my back's a little bit more rounded. And this, as you can see right here, I kind of didn't like that. I've got a history of lower back problems and it just didn't make it feel so good. But I did a couple more just for you guys. Now, if you do have a history of lower back problems, or it's just too difficult and you need a little bit of help with this, one way we can regress the movement, make it easier, is by putting some plates underneath the plates. This is going to raise the bar, which is going to allow us to have an easier time getting a little bit lower. And we won't even need to get as low. Also, if you're not that strong and you have to use smaller plates, you will definitely want to do this anyways, because if you're using smaller plates, the bar is going to be lower to the ground, which is going to make it a lot more difficult. Ultimately, we want to progress to not using the plates, but don't feel bad for using them at all. You're going to notice it's a lot easier for me to get lower here. I won't need to put as much effort in. And then you can see I'm actually just ripping them off a lot faster because I'm not needing to get that low. Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment on the video and I'll use that to improve the next time I record this.